I do see them more engaged than previous. They come in, they're happy, they're smiling. What are we going to do today? Oh, can I check my plants? Well, they don't even ask anymore because they know my answer is always going to be yes when it comes to doing science. So go and look at your plants and see what's happening. Some of them are feeling more comfortable with taking possession of their learning than others. And you can see that evidence in the wiki projects, the difference between certain students and how much they've done without me telling them this is what you should do now. I've barely guided them at all other than the initial, this is what you should sort of harness, your passion. This is the overall purpose, biodiversity, and let's just see what you come up with.
That we can learn ourselves. It means that we can explore different answers and be more individual, but also have the support from the teacher to answer the doubts we have.
For me, it means being able to experience the best of a subject, or like in this case, biology, and actually seeing it in real life and in a tangible way, and then going above and beyond what we actually saw and learn more about it in the internet. So not just limiting ourselves to textbooks and just books, but about opinions and what is going on around the world digitally.
They're interacting in real time, even if somebody else gives them time to do other things right now. For example, there's possibly somebody doing biology right now, even though they're not here with me, because they can literally from anywhere go in and do it if the need strikes too. If they remember something that they need to do that they forgot, or they see a cool picture that relates to what they're trying to accomplish, they can go do that anytime. So if you take the internet or the power away, then they're sitting there with the idea and they can't act on it.
We definitely own our own learning. We do have assignments where we are supposed to learn some things ourselves and all that, but we use our own resources, and even though it's a little bit controlled, we definitely have enough engagement in the class, and we definitely have enough freedom to do our own stuff.
In biology class, we don't just have to do like a project like of a topic. Here we have AMP, which gives us the opportunity to research something that we want to do, not like the teacher gives us something to do, you know.
Well, through blended learning, I think I've learned that it doesn't all have to be boring and it doesn't have to be monotonous. Now it can be more exciting to see and feel and touch and like go further into what we'll see instead of words on a piece of paper, I guess.
I think it makes it better for me because it gives me things that I want to do, like I want to learn, and it's not just like a due date, it's something that I'm interested in doing.
I am definitely more engaged because I am free to do the own things I want, and some are germinating other seeds in different methods, and I wanted to do the paper towel method, so I was able to do it, and I got help from like the internet and my teachers and my peers, and we're all doing different stuff, so we can all at the end compare our results.
They're coming to me saying, "Miss, I was reading last night and I found out this really cool fact about the axolotl in Mexico City," or "Miss, I just finished another graphic design for my idea and check it out," and they're holding their phone up and showing me, "This is what I just made with a graphic design program." That they're not waiting for me to do stuff.